A little sparrow has wandered into my abode. How nice to meet you. Tell me, are you lost? Or do you just have a habit of wandering around aimlessly? I think that you have quite the curiosity. Looking around, in here, over there, in the corners between the walls, especially in the deep holes and caverns that you seem quite fascinated with. So, tell me again, little sparrow, what are you doing here? Oh my, you look a little shivery there. Is it because you're cold, or is it because you are a little nervous, a little uneasy, a little scared? Which is it? Maybe it's a mixture of each of those three, and possibly even more. You really should not be wandering out here by yourself. Oh, no. Very, very dangerous. Especially for you, little sparrow. So small, so frail, so fragile, so easily broken. Oh, just look at you. Perhaps, though, you are just feigning weakness. You are feigning that nervous look in your eye. Perhaps you are just deceiving me. Or maybe you're not, and you really are just that scared. Well, I don't plan on taking a chance either way. So, little sparrow, would you kindly regale me with the tales of how you ended up in my abode here, looking through my large stack of jewels? Come, tell me, why did you really come here? Was it for comfort or warmth? I know it's quite chilly outside, especially now at night, especially this time of year. Winter, oh how shivery, so cold, so much snow, so windy, not for the faint of heart, not for those who cannot survive such harsh conditions. And I suppose you went looking for warmth here in my stack of gold. You came looking for warmth in gold, really? I don't think that gold is that warm. At least gold bars, that is. So, maybe not warmth. Then did you come for something else? Did you come looking for some adventurer? Adventure. The endless quest for excitement and fulfillment. That spine-tingling sensation of exploration and conquest. Oh yes, I know very well the feelings of adventure. Though, don't know what you'd be looking for in a cave of all things. Oh yes, you could be looking for some very, very expensive and prized valuable possessions. Some that would make you a quite handsome profit, or some to regale the other commoners of your deeds. Is that what you are looking for? Because if you were to take some of my stash, some of the precious, irreplaceable artifacts that I have collected here, oh, I am sure that you would definitely make a name for yourself. So, Sparrow, is that why you're here? Too nervous to talk still? Oh my. I thought you would have regained some composure by now. It seems that you haven't. Quite disappointing. But not surprising. Tell me, once you got here, what was your plan exactly? Because you're not that big. What exactly were you planning on taking? Most of these jewels are, in fact, quite big for you, or rather the artifacts are too big. Many of them, actually most of them, are the size of you. Tell me, were you planning on just lugging all of this with you? I don't think you were. Or if you were making an incredibly foolish decision. And I should probably add that there are very few towns in this area, much less any large city. So where exactly then were you planning on taking this? Your own person's pile of treasure. Indeed, that makes more sense to me. I'm afraid I can't allow that, however. Your attempts, while admirable in a way, is still against my best interest. I mean, I can't just let anyone take my treasure. What would that mean for me then? A dragon who just allows anyone in his cave to take his precious jewels? That would never do. That just could not do. I can't allow that. I'm so sorry. But I guess that now leaves me with the question, what do I do with you then? I suppose I could just let you go. You made a mistake of thinking that you could actually take something from here and get away with it. And maybe that could be forgiven. But on the other hand, if I let you go, you might be incentivized to come back again. And this time, you might bring other people with you. They would be no match for me, of course, but why bring the hassle on myself? Why burden myself with extra work to allow other people to find this place and try to steal from me? Especially if they were to find out that I let you go after I catch you so blatantly trying to steal my treasure. Decisions. I suppose that might only leave me with one choice. And that is to eat you. Oh, now you are able to speak, are you? This whole time you couldn't speak, but now you have developed vocal cords finally. Well, what do you have to say? I shouldn't eat you. Oh, and why is that? Why should I not eat you? Because you can be of use to me. Oh, really? And how is that? What exactly does a puny mortal like you have that would benefit me in some way?